2024 on fan codes, match of which only top 6 will qualify into the 7, but I'm sure this team is known for their player. Yeah, Kalidas is the umpire number 2. Lot of raids on this match because Wells versus Priest, respectively, they have been the table toppers in the challenger round. And coming to the booster round, Wells stood as the third position player and Priest has been the table topper so far. But this match will give us who will be the table toppers going forward into the summit round. So both the teams would looks like nothing given, Navneet.
शून्य एक सारथी अमरनाथ सुब्रमण्यन रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं। वाह वाह, क्या जंप है अमरनाथ का, और एक और पॉइंट।
And the inevitable has come. Do or die raid. Stuart Singh, right raider. In a defense of 7, he has an opportunity for the bonus. So where does he get? Because Wells University's defense is so strong. Especially the right cover, the left corner. Both of them failed with the timing and multi-points in a do or die raid. Is it a super raid?
18 and 9 out.
सुपर 8 सुपर 8 देखने को मिला है, और वेल्स यूनिवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट स्टुअर्ट सिंह ने जो किया कमाल। easemytrip.com, भारत का ट्रैवल ऐप, कमाल का मोमेंट।
This match will be the fight of supremacy. Super tackle opportunity for the Wells University.
यकीनन 40% रेट सक्सेस रेट, और दूसरी तरफ प्रिस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी 40%। वेल्स यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रदर्शन अगर 2024 के इस एडिशन में देखा जाए तो थोड़ा सा बेहतर, लेकिन ये जो 4 मिनट का खेल हुआ है, इसमें दोनों टीम के बीच में कोई भी गैप नहीं है राधिका। दोनों टीम ने 4 मिनट में 4-4 अंक कमा, और मैच बिल्कुल अपने बैलेंस में लगातार बना हुआ।
Bonus plus 1 point.
Absolutely. Priest gets a super raid. Wells gets a super tackle.
4 खिलाड़ी यहाँ मौजूद है, और 4 और 7 वेल्स यूनिवर्सिटी के पक्ष में सतीश कनन रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं। मरून कलर की जर्सी पहन के सतीश कनन, ये जो 4 खिलाड़ी मौजूद है, और लगभग सोलो टैकल था, लगभग सोलो टैकल।
They want to revive him for sure, but then they would also want to play on a defense of 5 when Priest University gets into a do or die raid. So these are the mind games we talk about now, and this is what we get to witness in the super teams. Kiruba, 59% is the rate strike rate for this player point, and we see a nice cohesive tackle coming up. And the scores are even Steven. Super tackle yet again for Wells University. They have done it before. And this is on Stuart Singh this time. They get it well. Sorry, this is Uti's Goodies, super tackle number 2. That means a revival for the team and 2 defensive points as well. Uti's Goodies, super tackle. Lovely to witness. And one of the prominent raiders has to warm the bench. He got deep in the air, the thigh hold. But then once that failed, the second layer.
आपसे फिर से एक सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा, जब आप रेड लगाने जाओगी तो क्या आप इन बातों को ध्यान रखोगी कि किस तरीके से हैंड को पकड़ा गया है एज अ प्लानिंग? जैसे कि क्रिकेट में अक्सर देखा जाता है कि बॉल किस तरफ है, फील्डर किधर है, तो आप क्या ये छोटी छोटी चीजें नोटिस करती हो कि किस तरीके से हाथों को पकड़ा गया है राधिका?
Absolutely, especially the raiders takes a look at the conscious effort कि मैं देखूं कौन किसको पकड़ रहा है. No, I mean with the match progresses you will get to know.
आप जब वो हिंदी के 2-4 शब्द बोलती है ना, तो जैसे वो खीर होता है ना, खीर में अगर आप ड्राई फ्रूट्स डाल दें, जी हम मल्टी पॉइंट, और राधिका जैसे खेलती है मल्टी स्पोर्ट, और जी हाँ, और यहाँ पे किस तरीके से गिर गए, वहीं पे मोमेंटम नहीं था, और मोमेंटम नहीं रहेगा, आपकी फीट मूवमेंट लगा, नजरें झुका करके कोने में चले जाते हैं, और नजरों को नजरे से नहीं मिलाते, पर यहाँ पर नजरें मिली, और यहाँ पर रेडर आउट हुआ है।
Yep. First Utis Goody super tackle for Priest University. That means that they get 2 defensive points and a revival. Wow,
Great.
that was a good taking for a double thigh hold. The Harish, this is the third time he stepped into the lobbies. So you need to have a control. If you do not have the control, at least try and change the pace of the game. Do not play corner to corner. Cut yourself cover to
Let us
cover
say
or in player
2
to in
points.
player.
Priest University. Just number 8 and 9 out.
Consecutively 4 points coming in for the team, Navneet. Slowly they are picking up. There is no coordination in that tackle, Navneet. They did not got confused there.
Upton.
15 और
Change the court.
22 हाफ टाइम हुआ है, चेंज द कोर्ट और बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से उस पोज को मेंटेन किया। आपने देखा ये 22 और 15 का स्कोर और
Yeah, Satish Kannan. The way he marches into the opponent court, Navneet, that shows the strength of the Raider. The confidence in the body language itself. Satish Kannan and a running bonus attempt.
That is
I'm sure he'll get a
1
multi-point.
Wales
Bonus and a
University.
point, is
Just
it?
number 7 out.
No, bonus is
जाए तो हार जाए, लेकिन पूरे सीजन आपने मेहनत की और वो जो फर्स्ट पोजीशन मिलता है ना, तो लगता है जी हाँ, एकदम मतलब पूरा साल बहुत अच्छा गुजरा है।
But then Navneet, the knockout is where the real matches happen. You can't have a blink of an eye there. And Satish
Yeah,
Kannan is being
1
tackled
point.
thrice today
University.
by Priest University.
आने के लिए बिल्कुल रेडी रहते हैं। मनोज पठानी वहाँ पे एम्प्टी रेड लगा करके वापस गए हैं, लेकिन सारथी अमरनाथ सुब्रमण्यम रेड लगाने के लिए 9 नंबर की जर्सी में वेल्स यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए गए हैं और ये क्या हुआ?
3 points. Wales University. Just number 2.
First
12 and
super
44
raid
out.
for Wells University. Welleman Hospital super raid this is.
44
And
12.
I think this is yet again a supremacy from a raider. Look at that. He breaks the chain and with the power he also another player. This is what? No, they did not do the follow through action after the tackle. And the do-or-die raid from Manoj Patani. Lovely kick.
Let us say 1 point. Priest University. Just number 55 out. Right.
Time when Manoj Patani went into the bonus line, then the rear foot was already resting on the mat. And yes, Sarathi Amanath
Ladder,
Subramaniam is
1
being
point.
caught in a
Priest
tackle by
University.
Shashi Kumar on the left corner.
देखने को मिलती है वेल्स यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से। वसंत मुर्गन ने रेड लगाया था, लेकिन अभी प्रिस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के मनोज पतानी ने एक और पॉइंट कमाया है और
Let us say
डिफरेंस स्कोर
1
कम करते हुए
point.
महज
Priest
सिर्फ और सिर्फ
University. Just
3
number
पॉइंट का
34
डिफरेंस रहा
out.
गया है और
I'm curious because those are definitely not required errors that were, 3 times stepping into the lobbies, definitely not acceptable. And a 2-point deficit is what the team is facing now. And Satish
Let us say
Kannan, brilliant
bonus
raid,
plus 2
multi-pointer.
points. Wales University.
Oh my
Just
God,
number
it's a
7 and 2
super
out.
duper raid, valuable super raid for Satish Kannan. Will this be the game-changing moment for Wells University? He is better Kabaddi Kamal moment for sure. And look at the
Great.
way, the force in which he could have waited for those 30 seconds and come back empty-handed, is it?
Red out.
प्रिस्ट
1
यूनिवर्सिटी
point.
लगातार
Wales
प्रयास कर रही है।
University.
वेल्स को मिल गया एक और पॉइंट राधिका, और क्या होगा?
I wanted to see if that was that Gautam Murugan who initiated the tackle, and this is the
Let us
multi-pointer.
say 2 points. Priest University. Just number
Wow.
34 and 8
What
out.
a comeback, Navneet. As we say, both the teams have those raiders who can change the game.
बिल्कुल किया जाएगा।
100%. Very sensible of Satish Kannan, Navneet. As we say, play as per the match demands. This is what Satish Kannan did. And
Let
it's a
us say
multi-pointer
2
given away.
points. Priest University.
Oh
Just
my
number
God.
18 and 55 out.
34-35. Just 1 point difference, Navneet. And
Let us
here,
say
he revives
bonus
the
plus
team.
1 point.
So multi-point.
Wales University. Just number 6.
Brilliant
out.
one, Satish Kannan. A revival. Now, if Wells University gives away a raid point to the opponent team,
Raid.
sends back the raider, they will go ahead and win the match and they will.
I think
But Satish Kannan पे box line करना it's not wise. And again, Satish Kannan crosses the box line, tries for a bonus, but Satish Kannan need to understand. Need not do anything. Kill the time, come back, celebrate the victory, and be the table topper. Oh my God! This is
Bonus point. Wales University. Right out. 1 plus to 3 points. Prince University.
equal.
All out. Wales University.
oh my God! What have we witnessed,
Match over.
Navdeep? It's a tie, is it? Match
It
done
is.
and dusted. Satish Kannan, why have you done this? In the match, it was a tie, 38 all.